Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that gradually destroys memory and other mental functions. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, and more than 5 million Americans are living with Alzheimer's.
Early signs and symptoms include confusions and problems with memory, personality and behavioral changes, and more severe symptoms include an inability to communicate and difficulty swallowing.
Alzheimer's begins with the presence of extracellular amyloid plaques and intracellular neurofibrillary tangles. These excess plaques and tangles develop in the hippocampus of the brain, which is where the memories are formed. These foreign bodies slowly destroy the hippocampus and eventually destroy other areas of the brain. With each area of the brain destroyed, each stage of Alzheimer's begins. In a normal brain, there is no presence of the plaque and tangles. Therefore, the hippocampus and other parts of the brain stay completely intact.
It is important to diagnose Alzheimer's quickly because Alzheimer's is a fatal disease. Alzheimer's is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. The average life expectancy is 8 to 10 years after diagnosis, but the extremes range from 3 years to 20 years.
Sadly, there is no current cure for Alzheimer's disease. However, the FDA has approved 2 drugs, cholinesterase inhibitors and memantine, to treat some of the symptoms. Memantine regulates the activity of glutamate, a neurotransmitter crucial to memory. When glutamate attaches to NMDA receptors, it allows calcium to enter the cell. However, in Alzheimer's disease, too much calcium is released, speeding and increasing cell damage.
I work at the Cheapophthalic lab at Duke, where we currently look at RNA analysis of different genes to figure out kind of the progression of Alzheimer's and how these genes seem to progress throughout the disease. Specifically, we look at RNA, we take the brains, we extract the RNA, do cell counts, and look at different genes and kind of their trends from normal to mild cognitive impairment to Alzheimer's to severe Alzheimer's. And we're hopefully trying to find different trends with these genes and hopefully add more to the Alzheimer's research going on now.